TikTok Shop is one of the biggest opportunities in e-commerce right now. And most people who know that still haven't launched yet. And that's not because the opportunity isn't there or they just don't want to, but because TikTok Shop isn't just signing up and going live. It's a registration and approval process. Compliance requirements, store setup, product listings, affiliate management, content production, live streams, and ongoing operations, all running at the same time. And that's a lot, especially if you're already running a business. So in this video, I hired a dedicated TikTok Shop agency to handle the setup for me. And I documented the entire thing. The process, the consultation, what they actually do, and whether or not it's worth it. My name's Alex if you're new, and without wasting any time, let's get right into it. Let me start by explaining why you should be focused on TikTok Shop right now, because the numbers are genuinely hard to ignore. TikTok Shop is the fastest growing social commerce platform in the United States. This year alone, it's projected to hit over $23 billion in sales. A platform that only officially launched in September of 2023 is already outpacing some of the biggest retail names in the country. And here's why this actually matters to you. 3 out of 4 TikTok users are likely to buy something when using the platform. And that's not browsing or window shopping. That's purchase intent, baked directly into the platform that people are using every single day. And basically what this means for you is that TikTok Shop isn't just a social media side project anymore. If you're running a Shopify store, an Amazon business, or any online brand and you're not on TikTok Shop yet, this is the channel you should be looking at right now. But here's the part that nobody talks about. And this is why most people that know all of this still haven't launched. Because starting a TikTok Shop and actually running one successfully are two completely different things. Most people think that launching on a new platform is simply signing up, listing your products, and start selling. And TikTok Shop's made the entry point easier than ever, but once you're registered, you have an entirely new business that you now have to focus on. Let me break down what's actually involved, because I want to be upfront and transparent with you guys about all of this. First, there's the registration and approval process itself, which isn't instant. There are eligibility requirements, document submissions, compliance checks, and depending on your situation, it can take time and come with its own set of hurdles. A lot of people get stuck here and never make it past. Then there's store setup, product listings, pricing, shipping configuration, and connecting your existing products if you're coming from Shopify or Amazon. Then there's the affiliate program, which is already one of the biggest revenue drivers on TikTok Shop. This involves getting creators to make content around your products and drive sales on commission. But building and managing that affiliate network is its own full-time job. Then there's content production, because TikTok Shop isn't just a passive platform. The algorithm rewards consistent video content, short form content tied to your products, and increasingly live shopping. Live streams, that's another new layer entirely. And while it's one of the highest converting formats on the platform right now, it's very time consuming to run consistently. Now stack all of that on top of what you're already running. For me personally, I've got a couple ecom brands that I run full time, and I manage the ads on a couple other people's stores, so all of my time is pretty much consumed. But I know TikTok Shop is where most of my focus should be right now. I just don't have time to get it all set up and running myself. And this isn't unique to just me. This is the exact situation that most store owners find themselves in. The opportunity is very obvious, but actually executing is the bottleneck. So here's what I ended up doing and what I'd recommend to anybody else in the same situation. Fiverr gives you a solution to this exact problem, and that's direct access to vetted TikTok Shop agencies. Now, this isn't just browsing Fiverr and hoping you land on someone good. This is a curated program connecting businesses with agencies that are fully dedicated to TikTok Shop. And here's the part that matters most. When you hire one of these agencies, you're not just working with one person. You might consult with the owner directly, but they're backed by a full team of experts that handle everything from end to end. TikTok Shop is one of the fastest growing e-commerce channels right now. And Fiverr is giving businesses a direct, fast way to get started with people who specialize in exactly this. Let me show you the agency I found and ended up working with. So this is the exact page where you can find and hire TikTok Shop agencies. I'll make sure to leave a link for all of this down below for you guys in case you're interested. But you can sort through any of these experts right here and book a free consultation call with any of them. That way you can come up with a full strategy of what success on TikTok Shop looks like for you. Now, I ended up booking a call with Mike and consulting with him directly. And Mike's a verified TikTok Shop expert who is vetted by the Fiverr Pro team. So everybody you see right here can help you with anything to do with your TikTok Shop. I ended up getting on a call directly with Mike and walking through my full strategy. We talked about my niche, the products I could focus on, and he helped me with everything from setup, listing my products, search engine optimization, and getting my first few sales. And the team at Mata was very helpful throughout this entire process. And his track record is what really stood out to me. You guys can see his case studies down here. He brought a brand from $0 to $600,000 a month another one from 7K to 40K a month, and has done over $2.5 million in sales across TikTok Shop for his clients. And that track record was exactly what I'm looking for. So I went ahead and hired him. So once I placed the order, he responded just a few hours later, and we went ahead and booked a call for the consultation. The first thing we did was go through everything so we knew exactly what my situation was and what this setup actually needed to look like. So I asked him for help with everything from the setup process to uploading products, getting new affiliates, coming up with an overall growth strategy, and a plan to generate my first few sales. He identified a ton of gaps that I was missing in my overall strategy and helped me come up with a solid plan for everything. And even though I've been doing ecom for over 6 years now, he pointed out a couple things that I didn't already know. What stood out to me was how smooth this entire process was. He started by asking me directly about my needs and everything I'm looking for in TikTok Shop. Then he came up with a solid game plan, something that I can implement right away. And throughout this entire setup process, he helped me every step of the way. So after just an hour consultation call and an afternoon of setup, I'm now live on TikTok Shop, ready to start selling. And this is so much easier when you have someone in your corner that already knows the platform, growth strategies, and has helped dozens of businesses do exactly what you're trying to do. Think about how long this would take you to set up everything yourself, and you'd still run into a ton of issues along the way. So here's what my TikTok Shop looks like now. Everything's set up, registered. He even helped me upload my first set of products on here, and he showed me exactly how to take my listing quality from poor to good like these ones right here. And now all these products in my store are getting organic views every single day. He helped me set up my shop, my shipping settings, all of my products, my affiliate program, and everything I needed to get started with TikTok Shop. So now I have a handful of affiliates that are on commission and ready to start making content around my products every single day. In fact, shortly after setting all this up, I even generated my first sale. As you guys can see right here, I just got my first ever order for $42.99. And none of this would have been possible if I didn't have Mike in my corner showing me every step of the way. Because if I tried to do all of this myself on top of everything I already have going on, this would have taken weeks. I probably would have given up by now, and I definitely wouldn't be making sales yet. And everything we just did, you guys have access to as well. Which brings me to my next point. Here's the honest takeaway from this whole experience. TikTok Shop is a real opportunity. The numbers I shared at the start of this video aren't just hype. This is a real platform that's moving serious money and growing very fast. And the brands that are building their presence on TikTok Shop are gonna have a serious competitive advantage over the ones that are waiting 6 months to figure it out. But the gap between knowing that and actually executing it is where most people get stuck. Setup, compliance, affiliates, live streams, it's a lot. And trying to learn all of it from scratch while running your existing business is very time consuming, and it adds up fast. What Fiverr gives you is a way to shortcut that. You get access to experts who have already done this. Not just once, but time and time again for different business types. They know what the common mistakes are, they know what gets applications rejected, and they know how to set up a strong affiliate program that drives sales from week one. And that knowledge isn't something that you can just get from reading a blog post. This is real life experience. And you don't have to fully commit right away. You can start with a free consultation exactly like I did. Get on a call with one of these agencies, walk through your specific situation, and get a clear picture of exactly what your business needs to succeed on the platform. So I'll go ahead and leave a link for you guys down below in case you're interested. The opportunity on TikTok Shop is real. And now you have direct access to teams of people who specialize in exactly this. So go check it out, book your free consultation, and see what's possible for you and your brand. So like I already mentioned, I've got a few things for you guys down below. Number one, you guys can click that link down below and book your free strategy call. And if you guys actually want to work with these agencies, you can get 10% off your first order as well. There's no commitment whatsoever. You can hop on a call with a vetted TikTok Shop expert and figure out what your unique path looks like. And if you found this video useful, make sure to drop a comment down below and tell me where you're currently at with TikTok Shop. You just getting started, you've already launched and trying to make some sales, or you're already having some success with it. I really want to know. And be sure to drop a like, share it with others, and subscribe for more. That's all I've got for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.